Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Sony account and enabling two-step verification. This is the trigger for backup codes. Once done, generate the backup codes from the security section and transfer them to a safe place. Make sure you have your Ps4 online and nearby so you can test a login. You should store codes in at least 2 locations, an encrypted password manager and a printed copy locked away. This prevents being locked out when your phone is unavailable. You now generate the actual codes. Click Generate Codes and write down each 8-digit entry exactly. Once displayed, immediately add them to your password manager and print a physical copy to store securely because backup codes are single-use. If you lose a code, cross it out and never reuse it. Once stored, make sure to revoke old codes only after confirming the new set works on your Ps4. These steps prevent accidental lockouts and keep your account safe. You finish by using a backup code on the Ps4 sign-in screen when prompted for 2-step verification. Enter one full 8-digit code. After successful access, mark that code used and remove it from storage. If a code is rejected, pause to check for transcription errors, then try the next one. Do not attempt the same code repeatedly. If problems persist, generate a fresh set of backup codes from your account on a PC and ensure your mobile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.